Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel and today मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ this look and और इसके लिए मैंने मोस्टली जो है नई चीज़ें यूज़ की हैं जो कि भी रिसेंटली रिलीज़ हुई हैं मे बी लाइक लास्ट मंथ और सो तो और मैंने अभी पिछले फ्यू वीक्स में मैंने परचेज़ की है और उसमें द टू थिंग्स हैं ये profusion palettes. I'll see you at the end. Bye. So I already moisturized my face, so now I'm just going to use this new primer I recently got. This is Revlon Photo Ready primer. We're going to use that. I don't have any new foundation, so I'm just going to use my forever favorite L'Oreal True Match in the shade W6 and I'll be right back. So our foundation is on and now we're going to do concealing. Concealer के लिए मेरे पास हैं दो नए concealer. एक तो है ये CoverGirl True Blonde Undercover Concealer और एक है Conceal and Perfect by Milani. पैकेजिंग दोनों की बहुत अच्छी है. I really like this gold detailing in here and मुझे ये भी बहुत अच्छा लगे कि ये like black and white stripes, so I really like both of them and मैंने already पहले एक दफ़ा यूज़ किए हैं, so today I'm going to be like second impression. तो अब हम ट्राई करते हैं कैमरा पे. लेट्स सी आप लोगों को कैसा लगता है एंड माय कंप्लीट थॉट्स. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज़, आई थिंक टुडे मैं यूज़ करूँगी CoverGirl and let's see next in the next video maybe I'll use this one, but this one is really good as well. I kind of like it too, but let's see this one, how this one works. I wore it before but exactly मुझे याद नहीं कि मुझे कैसा लगा था. So I'm just going to put it a little bit and a little bit here, here, here and here. So consistency आप देख सकते हैं. It's like this. And a little bit. This is the shade Golden Neutral. Natural Golden. Yeah. It's thick consistency है. Really thick. Look. A little bit goes a long way. देख सकते हैं. So it looks really good. Let's see. हम इसको blend करते हैं हमारे handy dandy blending sponge से. Maybe I'll just use a small size. Blend हो गया है बिल्कुल easily, आप देख सकते हैं. ब्लेंड तो बहुत इजीली हो गया है और ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको लगाने के बाद फ़ौरन से ब्लेंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. आप अपना टाइम लेकर आराम से ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं. I think I like it. I think let me put a little bit more because मुझे अंडर आईज थोड़ी ब्राइट पसंद है, तो ब्राइट पसंद है. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more. It says golden natural, but I don't know, लगाने के बाद मेरे चेहरे पे ये थोड़ा पिंक नज़र आ रहा है और ऑरेंज you can say. अगर ये थोड़ा और येलो होता तो would be perfect. और कवरेज तो नहीं आया है but I think it's okay, we're just gonna leave it there. And next मेरे पास है ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर बाय मिलानी. दिस इज ऑल्सो न्यू और हम सेट करेंगे हमारे अंडर आईज इससे. और ये जो है बिल्कुल रियली फाइन लूज पाउडर है and it's like this. Let me put the powder down and let me show you guys. इस तरह से है ऑब्वियसली बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है, इट्स रियली सॉफ्ट। सो हम यूज़ करेंगे ये पाउडर और सेट करेंगे हमारे अंडर आइज, और होल फेस सेट करेंगे हम दूसरे पाउडर से जो कि नया है ऑलमोस्ट। मैं अपना अंडर आई सेट कर रही थी एंड मैंने यूज़ किया है ये पाउडर एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स एंड आई एम सॉरी आई वाज लाइक एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग एंड द फुटेज गॉट डिलीटेड। या मैंने ये वाला पाउडर यूज़ किया है अपनी अंडर आइज के लिए एंड हमने यूज़ करा है होल फेस ये वाले पाउडर से जो कि हमारे बनाना पाउडर है। दिस इज बनाना पाउडर लगता नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, और इट लुक्स लाइक दिस, और इट लुक्स लाइक रेगुलर पाउडर बट लेकिन मेरी ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर की तरह लगता है। बस इससे मैंने ये भी मैं रिसेंटली लेकर आई थी like 2-3 weeks ago so yeah, now I'm using it. Yeah, you know, I have like the whole time in the whole world. So yeah, that's the powder I use to set my whole face, और मैंने अंडर आइज के लिए यूज़ किया मेलानी का पाउडर which is like very similar to Laura Mercier powder, but Laura Mercier powder जो है वो थोड़ा और smooth and silky है. This one is also has similar foundation stuff, so yeah, it will be a kind of dupe, but let's see अंडर आइज में क्रीज होता है रात तक या नहीं. So yeah, now I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'll be right back because I have nothing new for my eyebrows. It's going to be regular thing, so I'll be right back. So eyebrows are on, और अब हम करेंगे contouring के लिए है I have a new palette by Profusion. This was like maybe $8 or $10. I got it last week. So yeah, I'm going to use this one. It has highlighting shade, contouring shade, and under eye powder. Bahar. So it's just इसके अंदर रखा है थोड़ा सा under eyes powder, so I think I'm just going to use it a little bit just to see how brightening it could be. And yeah, that's my daughter right there. Hashtag mom life. Hashtag blessed and annoyed.
Like a cloud.
So yeah, this powder is really nice. I really like it. This is my first contouring palette. This is like actual banana powder. And I'm contouring के लिए हम use करेंगे this shade, which it looks really good. So let's see. Yeah, it looks really nice. I really like it. This is like this. Why it's not coming off? Okay, it's better now here. Terrible swatch, terrible. So contour is on. Let me try to clean up a little bit. Yeah, it looks good. I really like it. I'm going to keep using it. Yeah, and blush इसके अंदर नहीं है, तो हम blush use करेंगे हमारी Maybelline का blush with the brush, and I'm going to use this color right here. The peachy is my jam. Anything peachy I love, even though this goes perfect with my shirt. But I'm still going to use this one. Maybe I'll just add a little bit of that one. This highlighter looks really good. I really like this one. Let me try this. Let's see the brush. So I'm going to use this one a little bit. I'm scared because it looks really pretty in the pan, but let's see. Yeah, for tan people like us, it's perfect. Yeah. It gives like golden sheen. I really like it. I'm digging it. Yeah. Even though मुझे pinky highlighting बहुत पसंद है, but this one is like for special occasions. It's good. So I'm going to try a little bit this one because this one is going to be too dark. But for on the eyes, it's going to be really nice. So I'm just So yeah, this is how it looks. The face makeup is done. Now we're going to go on the eyes. Eyes के लिए मेरे पास है ये palette. So I'm going to do my eye makeup really quickly, and I have something in my mind which I want to achieve. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to fast forward that part, and then at the end I'm going to explain what I did. So just like that, our eyes are done, and this is what I did. I just finished my lower lashes. I did the same thing as upper. I used, for the crease, I used this color, and the outer corner I used this, and a little bit black on the outer corner from Naked 2 palette, and the whole lid पर जो मेरा color है वो है the star of the show is this one. I really wanted to use this color on my list as well, so I really like it. And I just did my liner with NYX Epic Ink liner, which is horrible. Don't buy it. I used to love it, and now all of a sudden it starts to bleed in my eyes, and I don't like it anymore. I think this gone bad or something is wrong with it, or maybe it's just bad anyways. So yeah, I used to love it, and I don't know what's wrong with it anymore now. And I used this mascara by L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and now we're going to do our lips, and I'm going to use these items on my lips. So let's get to that now. This is by Milani, color in all natural. I'm going to line my lip. Here. And my cracked chapped lips, which I really need to exfoliate, but I just never do. And now I'm going to use this Too Faced lipstick. Pumpkin Spice, it's my favorite one from Too Faced, so I love this one. Let's do this. And on top of that, I'm feeling lip glosses today. So I'm just going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Amber. I love amber green. Yeah, this is like almost same shade, but in lip gloss. I love it. You can use it just like that on its own. It's also really good. Look at that, like look at the pigment. But मुझे liquid lipstick पे लगाना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, so I get like even color and long lasting. So the lips are done. Hopefully I don't get it on my teeth. So this is the makeup look I have done. So now we're going to set our face with the setting spray, which is my favorite, L'Oreal Shake and Glow Dew Mist. So we're just going to shake it, and we're going to mist it. आप लोगों को आफ्टर मैथ ऑफ द मेकअप देखना चाहिए. इस वक्त ऐसा लगता है डिजास्टर आया है एंड सारा मेकअप निकल के मेरी टेबल पर आ गया है. I don't know why this happens, but yeah, it happens. So yeah, let me just set my highlight on the cheek, and let me just pull in last minute touch-ups. So yeah.